Imagine waking up at 5 a.m. every day, feeling energized, focused, and unstoppable. While everyone else is still sleeping, you're already one step ahead. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. Today, I'm going to show you the perfect 5 a.m. routine for students that can transform your grades, focus, and life, step by step. You might be thinking, why 5 a.m.? Why not 6, 7, or even 8 a.m.? The reason is simple. Early mornings give you the quietest hours for productivity. Your mind is fresh, your energy is high, and distractions are minimal. Studies show that early risers are more disciplined, more focused, and achieve more academically. Plus, the world is still asleep. No notifications, no social media distractions, no noise. It's your golden hour, your personal time to learn, grow, and get ahead. Before you can wake up at 5 a.m. consistently, your night routine matters. Here's what you should do. Set a fixed bedtime. Go to bed between 9:30 and 10 p.m. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Phone, TV, and laptop disturb sleep quality. Plan your morning. Write down what you want to accomplish at 5 a.m. Prepare essentials. Lay out your study materials, clothes, and water bottle. If you prepare mentally and physically, waking up early becomes easy and even enjoyable. Now, the hardest part, waking up. Here's the secret. Place your alarm away from the bed. Force yourself to get up. Use energizing alarm sounds, gentle yet firm music or nature sounds. No snooze zone. Hitting snooze ruins your rhythm. And here's a tip that actually works. Tell yourself why you're waking up. Not, I have to wake up, but I'm waking up to get smarter, stronger, and closer to my goals. Your first 30 minutes set the tone for the whole day. Follow this power-packed 3-step routine. Hydrate immediately. Drink a glass of water to wake up your body. Stretch or light exercise, 5 to 10 minutes of stretching, push-ups, or jogging in place. Meditation or journaling, 5 minutes to calm your mind and visualize your goals. These 30 minutes will skyrocket your energy, boost focus, and prepare you for peak learning hours. Now it's time for your first study session, deep work. For the next 60 to 90 minutes, focus on your hardest subjects without distractions. Turn off your phone, block social media, and use the Pomodoro Technique. 25 minutes focused, 5 minutes break. Tips for maximum retention: take handwritten notes, use diagrams and mind maps, and read aloud to engage multiple senses. This is when your brain is most alert. If you waste this time scrolling social media, you're missing the golden opportunity. After your deep study session, take a 5 to 10 minute break. Here's what you should do. Quick walk or stretch, drink water or a healthy snack, avoid phones and social media. Breaks are important. They recharge your brain for the next study block. Next, tackle lighter tasks, homework, assignments, or revision. This second block is less intense but equally productive. You can also review what you learned in the first block for better retention. Tips: organize tasks by priority, use a checklist to track progress, and reward yourself after finishing tasks. Before finishing your morning routine, spend 5 to 10 minutes reflecting. What went well? What can be improved? Write down your daily goals. This small habit creates massive long-term growth. A healthy breakfast fuels your brain. Focus on proteins, fruits, and complex carbs. Avoid sugar-heavy foods that cause energy crashes. Examples: eggs, oatmeal, banana, nuts, milk, or a smoothie with spinach, fruits, and protein powder. Your brain runs on good fuel. Skip breakfast and your productivity drops instantly. After your perfect morning, you're ready for school or online classes. With a productive start, your attention and focus during classes will improve drastically. Try active learning. Take notes, ask questions, and engage with teachers and peers. After school, keep the momentum. Review your notes, complete homework, and prep for exams. Use short, focused sessions and avoid distractions. Even 30 to 60 minutes of afternoon revision compounds over time. Evenings are for winding down. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed, plan tomorrow, and relax. A calm evening ensures better sleep, making it easier to wake up at 5 a.m. again. 5 a.m. mornings are hard at first. Here's how to stay consistent. Track progress in a journal, reward yourself for streaks, find an accountability partner. Adjust gradually if needed, wake up 15 minutes earlier each day. Remember, discipline beats motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but a routine sticks. Waking up at 5 a.m. isn't about being extreme. It's about giving yourself an edge. Every early morning builds discipline, focus, and confidence. Start today. Follow this routine and see how your life changes. Your future self will thank you. If you found this routine helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and comment below. Are you ready to start waking up at 5 a.m. tomorrow? Let's do this.